Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must start by confirming you are the device owner. That's critical. Gather proof of purchase, the original Google account email, and the phone's IMEI or serial number. Once done, make sure the Pixel is charged above 50% and on a reliable Wi-Fi network, because support and account recovery often require downloads. Do not attempt workaround tools. Instead, prepare a concise timeline of account activity and repairs to speed up verification when you contact official channels. Next, pursue formal recovery. Try Google account recovery flows, and if they don't restore access, contact Pixel support directly. Explain the situation, provide the device IMEI, proof of purchase, and any ID they request. This is why you prepared documents. Make sure to ask for a verified FRP removal or factory unlock procedure from an authorized service center. Do not use unknown third parties. Official channels preserve security and warranty, and they'll guide you on validated steps specific to your Pixel 3a model and OS build. Finally, follow the official instructions you receive. If regain access, back up your data immediately and remove or update account credentials as advised. If support can't verify ownership, request escalation or visit an authorized service center with original documents in person. Make sure to keep records of all communications. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to stop and consult the official help channel. Attempting unverified bypass methods often causes irreparable damage or legal exposure, so don't proceed with them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.